Hey everyone, and welcome to day 4 of our challenge. I hope you guys are ready. We're going to do sound to dialogue. We are starting with a warm-up, 30 seconds. I would like you to explore different sounds from your voice. Play with it. Whatever comes out, try to prolong it a little bit for a couple of seconds just to warm up your voice. Ah, hey. Oh. Ah. Eh. Ooh. Ooh. All right, now to the challenge. We will start with any sound which then turns into a beginning of a word, which then gives you something to speak about. So actually your brain has to catch up anything that you said. So it's something like you're jumping off a cliff and building an airplane on the way down. This is something in improv that is very scary, but you will find out that it's so possible. It's amazing. Albert, can you please come and wash the dishes? You haven't been helping in our household for 3 years. Every day I'm doing the reports and you're not appreciating me. How can I become a better assistant? I'm brewing coffees, I'm doing everything for you. Okay, everyone. Now you are ready to see the new car? It's our new Corolla.